What's going on, guys? In this video, we are talking about the Hyundai Santa Cruz and it being built in the Montgomery, Alabama plant here in the United States. If you don't know what the Santa Cruz is, stick around because we're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about it being built here in the U.S. in the Alabama plant. But first, this video is brought to you by txgarage.com. Be sure to go to txgarage.com, check out all the articles. We got a lot of written articles. All the videos get posted up here. Lots of different contributors, not just me. We got David Bolt, we got Jesus Garcia, lots of great contributors, Harold Allen. You can also sign up for our newsletter here. The newsletter is sent out every Friday, and it's a conglomeration of all the articles that were posted for a week. So be sure to check out txgarage.com, sign up for our newsletter, and with that, let's get back into the Hyundai news. So the Hyundai Santa Cruz to be built at Montgomery, Alabama plant. A $410 million expansion project will prepare Hyundai's U.S. automotive assembly plant to build the vehicle in 2021. The project will add 1,200 new direct and indirect jobs. So today, Hyundai Motor Manufacturing Alabama announced the Santa Cruz compact utility vehicle will join the Santa Fe SUV and the Sonata and Elantra sedans at Hyundai's U.S. assembly plant in Montgomery starting in 2021. The Santa Cruz was first introduced as a concept at the 2015 North American International Auto Show in Detroit. And it's really interesting. I've been following this vehicle for a while. There was rumors that it wasn't going to happen, then it was going to happen, and this pretty much confirms that it is going to happen because they're saying they're building it in this plant. I've been really excited about this. I remember being on a launch with Hyundai and talking to some of the people at Hyundai about this vehicle, saying, even as a Texan, as a truck lover, that I'm really excited about this vehicle, and I am. And we're going to get into more of that when we get further down. The plant will require a $410 million expansion to support the addition of the vehicle. That's great news, spending money. Bringing the Santa Cruz to Alabama demonstrates that Hyundai Motor Company is confident our more than 3,000 team members are ready to build a quality crossover for the U.S. market. So the Santa Cruz is for those who want all the traditional attributes of a compact utility vehicle, but need the day-to-day versatility of an open bed. It's a crossover that creates a whole new segment that successfully combines capability and utility to meet the unspoken needs of a new generation of buyers, especially millennials. So, again, this is like the new generation's El Camino, or whatever you want to call it. It's a crossover that basically has a bed. So let's just jump into some pictures of it. We've got the news. The news is out. They're building it, and they're building it in Alabama. And this is what it's going to look like. At least these are still concept renderings. I don't know if they've showed off the exact sheet metal yet, but this is basically what it's going to look like. And again, I'm a Hyundai fan. I like what Hyundai does. I like their designs, and I really like the design of this truck. I think it's a smart move to build something like this, a compact truck. I often hear people complain about trucks getting too big. Even the small trucks are so big. So something like this is going to really touch a lot of people. It's a small crossover, and you got the versatility of a truck bed. Some of the looks in the back aren't as pleasing as the front, but you do have that truck bed. And again, I'm really interested in seeing this thing in person, really interested in driving it. And I'll be honest, I'm interested in buying one if it fits what I think it needs to do. I think it's really cool. It looks like it's going to be sort of sporty and still have the versatility of a compact truck. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video looking at Hyundai news. Be sure to subscribe here. We're trying to get out more videos every day, talking about news, talking about what's going on with TX Garage. Be sure to go to txgarage.com and check us out, and sign up for that newsletter so you guys can stay up to date with us. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed again. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, thanks for sticking around this far into the video. Be sure to go check out these other videos that we've got in our playlist. And thanks for watching.